Hola Facebook friends. Okay, here's an update on the dreadlocks. I just washed my hair, so yes, that means I do wash my hair. I know that people are wondering. I just want to show you. Video is going to work a lot better than pictures. Here we go. Let's check these out. I got some pretty funky looking dreadlocks. Call me predator if you will. But I love them. They look like little zigzags. Oh, and look, there's a really awesome long white hair that's not connecting. Daniel likes to call it fishing line because I'm old. Okay, and then this is basically what they look like, and if any of you are wondering, I did twist and rip. If you have questions about that, I'll let you know later. And then they're starting to web together, so like every time I wash my hair they start to get all stuck together, so I kind of just pull them apart and twist them a little bit, but I'm basically doing the neglect method, which means I'm not doing anything to them. I'm not palm rolling them. Oh, look, there's another white hair. I feel like a witch. But, well, at least I feel like I look like a witch. Anywho, I love them. My hair has shrunk about a good 6 inches, 8 inches. It was, I don't know, I guess about like that much. It's pretty crazy. Anywho, I just wanted to give you guys an update for those of you that were wondering what my hair looks like now, because pictures kind of suck without all the fancy filters. Not that I'm against filters. Oh, and these are the ones I like to call my little chow dreads. Kind of like if you've ever had a chow or if known a chow dog in the back of their ear where the hair gets all matted and nasty. That's basically what this looks like to me. Flattering, huh? So pretty. Anywho, I wonder what it looks like from, don't know if you can see it, but this is it. Okay, the end.